just going to try doing an upgrade now. Done the update. So yeah, I'm going to cross my fingers. And yeah, it seems to be working. Very impressive. So this will probably take some time, but it's definitely going to be worth it. And again, this is all with GNU Root Debian version on Android, so yeah, it's a bit big. It's like 60 odd meg. Then once you've done the update and upgrade, obviously it'll be more, and then you've got to do the Git repositories. But yeah, if you've got a few hundred meg on your Android like available, then it's definitely worth doing. And you notice I always use apt these days because of you get the percentage bar. I never use apt-get. Apt, it's pretty much even better. Well, I reckon it's better than the standard apt-get. That's just my choice, but I like the little percentage progress bar there. I think that's quite sick. Yeah, you might have to install Git because it won't get very far without it. Ta-da! I had a feeling it wouldn't be on there by default. It very rarely is. So yeah, make sure you put Git on there, otherwise you'll waste your time. But yeah, so close now. Then you can start doing Git repositories, and away you go. It's all part of the fun. Right, so Git's installed. Waiting for the fucking camera to focus. Here we go. You want to type this: Git clone GitHub -sec Katulin with a K. So let's see if this one will work. Well, it seems to work. That was easy. Right, so once it's done, you can put in Katulin. You might have to see what folder it's gone into. Okay, so cd so now in CPU there. You might have to set it up, so we'll see what's in this actual folder. Oh, it's a Python file. Fuck. So we could do change mode. So yeah, I just changed the mode for the Python file to make it executable. And I'm not too sure Python's even on it. Yeah, so I might have to install Python. So I'll try that. Yeah. That should get it working. Right, so I installed Python, and now we're going to try again. Here we go. It works. Oh yeah, have fun. You need to add Kali repositories and update, so I'm going to push 1 for that. See what happens when I push enter. Kali 1 add Linux repository. Also it says you can remove as well, which is really cool. So 1. Once that one's done, I can do 2. Okay, so obviously I want 2. And this will pretty much make it Kali with all the tools. So yeah, it's quite cool. Once all the updates for Kali is done, I exited and then went back into it. So I got back to the command prompt because I didn't put a menu that I could see for just to exit the menu. Bit of a glitch there, but don't worry about that. So anyway, I'm typing in apt install Mac Changer just to see if it allows installs of Kali repos, or yeah, obviously it does. I just wanted to see if it did, or whether it just made out like it could, you know. But yeah, so you can install all kinds of things there that you would normally be able to put on Kali. You can put on mobile Kali. So yeah, that's cool. Okay, as you can probably see, you're supposed to, once you've done the git, you're supposed to copy fucking zoom on this fucking phone, shit. Right, so yeah, it says copy the cartoon folder, Catalin, whatever you want to fucking call it, basically over to your user bin, so you can use it from anywhere, and then you want to chmod it. So that's quite handy to know, so you don't have to go into the folder every time. That Mac Changer didn't work. I think you might have to remove Kali repositories before you can do things like that. I'm not sure, but anyway, I exited it and went back into this, and I'm going to do the command I forgot earlier, which is to copy the Catalin Python files, the binary. So that's done now. Also you're supposed to chmod it. So there you go, chmod +X, and then the file Catalin. So that's done, that works. And you can, I don't think you need to sudo, but sudo Catalin. Oh, what a surprise, not found. So, yeah. Okay, it does work. You just got to remember to put in super user or sudo su before you do the ch command or chmod command. But yeah, there you go. So we've got the classics menu indicator, view categories, little Kali menu. Yeah. So let's see what's on 2. And there we go, we've got all these sub options that you can install. So I'll probably end up doing them all. 0 for all. Okay, 0. Maybe that's a no. Okay, whoever wrote this is a fucking retard because it don't work. But yeah, you get the point. Sometimes you might have to like exit out and go back in and try again, but eventually it should work. This will cane your space. I've hardly got any left, but I've been getting this error installing things saying can't lock that package manager and stuff like that. So yeah, not too sure if it's run out of space or not, but it could be. That's probably the reason why half the stuff don't work. Amazing app here. Uninstall root, or wherever it is, and you can uninstall system shit that you don't want on your Android to save loads of space. So yeah, fuck you Android, fuck you Google, putting loads of shit on my fucking OS. You can see 20 successful uninstalled. You can't beat having root on your device, because then you can really get in there, take away that wasteware, what I call it, wasteware. So yeah. Oh fucking ads, fuck off. Right. If I look into my recycle bin, here's all the things that I've removed. All of this bullshit that I didn't want. Never asked for it, it was just always on there. Waste. There is more that I want to take off, but it says it's critical, so I've left it. So yeah, happy with that. So what you want to do is don't install anything like MacChanger or anything like that. Just stick to the menu, and it will work, because it seems to be working this time around. I've had to uninstall it and start again, but it's worth it. Just don't install MacChanger or anything else like that until at least you've done all the things you need to do from the menu, and you should be alright. Got to love tabs. Just installed GNU root, Debian version. It's like 60 odd meg, but yeah, gives you a nice little console window, so you can do some MSF research on it. So yeah, that's cool. So I'm just about to try doing an apt update. No idea if it's going to work. Never done it before on Android, but yeah, it looks like it's working fine. Then I can install like Git repositories and things like that. Oh, this is going to be sweet, can't wait. Can't believe how easy it is. Just like having a Linux box right there. I remember this sort of thing before on the terminal emulator, but yeah, I think you can do even more on this. So yeah, very interesting.